Hey guys, it's me, Michelle from the Albert George Branch Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute clothespin tiered stand. You will need about 130 clothespins, one large and one small stove burner cover, stain in the color of your choice, E6000 glue, candle holders or base of your choice, decorative ribbon, gloves, newspaper, and paper towels. Let's begin by staining our clothespins. Make sure to wear gloves and layer your table with several sheets of newspaper so you don't ruin it. Oh, and work in a well-ventilated area. Carefully remove your lid from the stain. And dip the clothespin until it's completely covered. Drip off the excess and place it on the newspaper for a few minutes or until you reach the desired color of your liking. It might take a few tries to achieve your perfect color. Then set it aside to dry. Now that your clothespins are dry, it's time to attach them to our covers. Using your E6000 glue, squeeze a strip around the inside rim of the small burner cover. And then clip the clothespins as close to each other as possible. Notice there is a dark side and a light side. You choose which side you want. I'm using a combination of both. You may have to readjust some of the clothespins to get a nice tight fit. Then repeat the same steps with the large burner cover. I'll be right back. Now that your baskets are done, let's get to working on our centerpiece. So I'm going to use 2 candle holders glued together with E6000 glue for height. But you can use whatever you like. Squeeze all around the edge. Make sure it's all nice and covered. And I'm gluing bottom to bottom. And then let it dry for an hour. So it's time to start building our stand. You're going to take your centerpiece and you're going to add glue to the bottom. It doesn't matter which bottom because they're both the same. Place the glue side down in the center of the larger basket. Try and get it as centered as possible. Okay, now add glue to the top. And place the small basket on top. Again, make sure it's centered. That happens. Yay, we're almost done. Okay, so our tiered stand is dry. So now we need to put the finishing touches. I've already pre-cut my twine. I'm going to take my E6000 handy little glue, and I'm just going to add a little glue where I want my ribbon to go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'll be right back. When you get ready to start your bottom tier or top, whichever one you choose first, start at the exact same position. Then after it's completely dry, make sure that you go back and you clean up all the strings. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. And here we have our completed clothespin tiered stand. Isn't it beautiful? For more fun projects, visit our Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center at www.fortbend.lib.tx.us. See you soon. Bye.